everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a few things to show you here. I'm excited about one in particular, like really excited about it. So this is a new company to me. I've never gotten anything from them before, but they asked me if I wanted to show a couple things, and of course I said sure, especially when I saw the one item. So this is ECOOLBUY. I see ads for them all the time and stuff, but I have never gotten anything from them before. So let's get into it, and I'll show you what I picked out. All right? Okay. So let's get right into it. Let's show you this one first. This is my least favorite, and I'll tell you why. Let me see. Let me find the matching drills. Look up here, GSYX31, which is this package right here. Okay, I'll tell you why this is my least favorite. It's very pretty. It's a special drill. Super pretty, but there's not that much to drill on it. This is not my favorite kind of painting to do. It's beautiful. If you love it, I mean, it's beautiful. But none of this gets drills on it, which is not unusual that the background doesn't. But none of this does either, except for these two little butterflies. They're flowers. And none of this gets drills. So really, all that you drill is this butterfly and the flowers and these couple little petals down here. I like to have a little bit more to drill on my diamond paintings, but it is pretty. It has 10 different drills. We'll look at them, and maybe that will just be a complete game changer. All right. I hope you are all doing well today. It is kind of a cold day here. Sun is currently out, but I don't think that's going to last. All right, so we do start out with some beautiful black ABs. So those are very pretty. Love the black ABs. We have some purple rhinestones, magenta, a couple of blues, a clear, a pink, and then we have specials. So we have a little bit larger, like a lime green color, a little bit bigger pink, and then we have some iridescent teardrops. So they're very pretty. It's just I like to have a little bit more to do than that. It will turn out great, right? It will be very pretty. Let's see it closer. See, this down here, I don't know. I mean, I just think they could have put a few more drills on it. But anyhow, let me know what you think, okay? Oh, I have a couple tool kits here. They all came with a tool kit, okay? Our basic tool kit. This one I really like, all right? This one I think is going to be beautiful. I mean, how can you go wrong? It's just a colorful dog. Looks like a lab, probably. Lots of color on a black background, so everything's going to pop. It's a 30 by 30 size. It has 11 different drills. Look at all the big ones, right? Look at all the big drills on there. That's going to be fun to do. All right, lots of colors. Pretty. All right, let's look at them. Got a separate bag there. Don't forget that one. Okay, what do we have? Look at this. There is the kit number on there. Large number. Look at that. Number 1. Okay. Number 1 is a clear rhinestone. Then we have black. We have a purple rhinestone. A lot of the yellow rhinestone. That magenta color again. A couple of blues. Now we get into the larger things. So we have some black. Those have the flat tops. See them? Then we have a large gold faceted. We have these pretty, pretty pearls. And then we had another faceted, the pink faceted here. So, I mean, pink, you know, they're going to be spotted all over. It's going to be really, really pretty with all these colors in it. So, there's that one. I like that one. Okay. And my last item. This, when I saw this, I was like, oh, yes, yes. And now I'm seeing them everywhere. So you may have seen it already. Somebody else may have already shown them, but I saw this was a new item. I love to find new items. New items to diamond paint. I love it. Okay, so you see what it is, right? So it is a tumbler. All right, cool. So it's got a pop top there. Love that. The lid comes off. Love that. Okay. Does this screw unscrew? It must. Yeah, this unscrews. Okay. It's going to have to unscrew because you're going to put your picture And I would put the picture, I think you put the picture inside around this part of the cup. Let me see. We have some photo directions on the box. Diamond paint, place the diamonds. Oh, you just put it in the cup? This is not sticky? Oh, I thought it would all be sticky. I thought it would be a sticker. Huh, apparently it's not. So, yes, apparently you place this in the cup like such, right? Like that. Then you put your cup inside and, yeah, put your top back on. Cool. All right, I thought it would be a sticker. Oh, this probably, I wish that came together better, but anyhow. Yeah, I would have made it just a sticker, right? And stick it on the cup. Although that's smart though, because you can wash the cup, right? You can take this apart and you can wash the cup and not get this part wet. Now, will it come out? Can't get it out. Oh, there's a little lip under here. It's like, okay, come on. Wow, once it's in here, it's in here. Okay, there we go. That makes sense. Washable. Okay, got it. But this is my picture. Just a beach scene. Now, it comes in many different pictures. You know, there's a cat. There's all kinds of stuff. And I'm certain it's one of those items that they will start doing more and more and more variety of pictures. So there's that. I thought it was pretty cute. I thought it was a unique item. And I had to try it. So this is regular drills. It's a 16-ounce tumbler, by the way. So you can hold your drink in there. Here's our colors. Gray, peach, orange, red, yellow, greens, blue. That's going to be that sky. Orangey gold. Some other red tones. More blues. Creamy color, brown, and white. So there are 15 colors in this. And you will just look at your canvas. We'll call this the canvas to figure out what colors. So the 15 is the white that goes in the surfboards. So you just look at your bag and then look at the, little template here. That's how you'll figure out where they go. Well, I think that's a nifty idea. I think they're pretty cute. Like I said, something new. I'm all for it. So I'm not going to put it back in there because it wants to stay in there. Look, it's got a little thing on the bottom of it that's making it. Okay, it's not the part that needs to sit flat. This one is. So anyhow, cute, right? Cute. I like it. Okay, what do you think? Have you seen any of those? Check them out. I will link all these items below so that you can go check them out for yourself and see what you think. And let me know. All right. Short little video, I know, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you come back and see more videos in the future. See you later, guys. Bye.